got here a Bedford Rascal in a campervan format. Now this vehicle was produced in Luton from 1986 until 1994. This one, you see it's got Bedford written on, it's 1989. Around 1990 it was changed, they changed the branding to Vauxhall, so it became the Vauxhall Rascal. Now this is a joint production by Suzuki, or was I should say, and General Motors. And in 1996, they stopped producing in the UK, and it was moved to Japan. It was produced in Japan until 1999. So the vehicle itself, though, sold lots of them. I can remember seeing one in London in the early 90s, and I saying to my then girlfriend, "Oh, that's the sort of van I'd like." Now, it's a vehicle which has been used for camper vans, or mini campers I should say, and so we'll have a look at this one here, which is I should say used as a mini camper. And so it's pretty small, but you can actually still sleep inside it. So I'll read what it says here. So it's got a gas kitchen, it's got with 2 hobs, it's got gas heating, a thermostat, it's got a 2-way fridge, and I'm going to explain which 2 ways they are because that's not the right way of putting it. It's got a chemical toilet, it's got it's got solar panels, and it's got water. So there we have, start off with the 2-way fridge, although it's not right to say it's a 2-way fridge because it does run actually off gas. It runs off gas and 12 volts. There's no shore power as such, so it's not right to call it a 2-way, but it's more of a 3-way with only 2 ways. There we have the old style gas cooker, two hobs up there. There's the grill. Oh, and yeah, and there's the, whoops, okay, that's okay. Right, so we'll come in here. Under here we've got the there's a heater, there's a toilet. Oh, yeah, there's the toilet. Also old one. I was expecting a new toilet. Oh, got a sunroof. This one here, the current owners converted it to left-hand drive, although earlier it was obviously it was on a right-hand drive, and being a British and an American vehicle. If you watch some British television from the late 80s in street scenes like news programs or something like that, you'll certainly see them. Don't see many of them these days though. Now I can't actually stand up inside. It's I would say the head height's approximately 170, maybe 170, or maybe I'm exaggerating a bit there, 165, something like that. One thing we're not going to have with this though is any problems parking the thing. Easily fit into small spaces. Obviously it does require a bit of work being done to it. Oh, I've got a big window as well. Okay, really this is now sort of used by the owner runs this company, Gas Bank, and they do these refillable gas solutions, which I'm going to talk about in another film. Fortunately I can't bring you many of these vans because I don't often see them, but when I do see them you can be assured that I will bring them to you.